Hello and welcome to another Refresh Play video. Today we'll be looking at a new Monopoly variant based on the Battle Royale mode of Epic Games' smash hit Fortnite. Now this game does have a few new features compared to the regular Monopolies. We'll be looking at those a little bit closer once we've opened this bad boy up. Right, let's do this. Now, as you can see from the back here, you can already tell there's a mechanic that includes the storm from the game, and we'll be using some of these health tokens along the way. Obviously we have a small instruction manual here. We'll have a closer look at that in a second. And we have cards with our holders for our tokens. We have our game board, which is ever so slightly smaller than a regular game board, a few less spaces on there. And we have our characters and the health tokens. So now everything's out of the box, let's take a closer look. Firstly, this is the character cards. These will be replacing the familiar metal tokens that come with Monopoly, but you do get far more of these. There's some cool looking characters on there. And we'll have a brief look at the instructions, spot those new mechanics. So, health points replace money in this version of the game. Players choose their starting location to avoid everyone starting on go and immediately attacking each other. There is an action die, and on your turn you move and activate an action, such as setting off a boogie bomb or building a wall on the board that will force players to stop on that space. And every time a player passes go, they must draw a storm card. The card will tell you which board space you must permanently cover with the deadly storm. We'll take a look at some of those cards in a moment. And here is a brief sort of explanation of how these storm cards work. How the health points work. The action die. Remember, you can never have more than 15 HP. And walls. There are some walls included in the pack as well. And we'll briefly have a look at some of the cards that are included. We have some sweet loot there. We'll come back to those. Some storm cards. And some location cards. Let's pick an item at random and see what we get. The bush. How exciting. Boogie bombs do not affect you. And let's try one more. It's the clinger, so choose any space. All players on that space pay 4 HP to the bank. And looking at it, that is quite a bit. As per the instructions that we just saw, you can never have more than 15 HP. So, other than that, the most important thing to remember is The game ends when only one player is left standing.
Fortnite Monopoly is available at refreshcartridges.co.uk and at Amazon and eBay stores. Good luck, have fun, play fresh.